Hey friends, what is going on? It's 74 degrees here today up in the mountains, and I have a project I'm working on. It's again lighting. Lighting is a big part of presentation, which is a big part of mood and the ambiance and the way that you feel, etc. when you're with a group of people or in your own space, even with no one visiting. So we have this boxwood wreath here, and I have this beautiful iron and wood wall piece. It's a cathedral window. It goes on the wall. It's 44 inches long. It's 24 inches across, and the wreath is about 16 inches. I'm going to add white fairy lights that are very simple. They're battery operated, and I do this because I do not like to see wires coming down walls from decorations. So that is why I'm using the white fairy lights. They come on a very thin wire. It's almost like a bendable metal. It's super, super fine. I'm going to go ahead and start working on this. And what I'm going to do is wrap it. And then I will show you guys the result when I'm all finished. Just going to show you guys, by far, this is the finest wire I have ever seen on fairy lights. Wow. Very moldable also. Alright guys, so because of the tangle aspect, you're going to need to bundle up your wires. And this is really cool because this stuff really wraps up tight with no problem. And then if you just hold on to this bundle right here, you can go ahead and wrap without getting tangled or tangling anything up. So it just makes it a lot easier to wrap up everything into a little cluster. I have my friend here helping me as usual. She's my little helper. She has to make sure I'm doing everything properly. For those of you who kind of wonder about cats and their behaviors, she's a calico, and calicos are known to be in magic, the arts of magic, to be the most lucky and luck drawing cat. They're also extremely, extremely smart and very technical. So she loves everything to do with like measuring tapes and tools and anything to do with like these. She was just over here with the lights. They're very involved and they want to know what you're doing, and if they can be part of it, it makes them very, very happy. Just an FYI for calico cats. Also, calico cats are always female. Hey guys, I'm back. So the wreath is finished and I'm happy with it. I will not have to replace these fairy lights probably for years and years. Just replace the batteries as needed. The battery pack is actually on the back behind the wreath, and it will be zip tied to the iron part of the wall decor. Now, you can put any color fairy lights you want. I just prefer white on my home decor stuff. Also, these lights came from Temu. They were like 67 cents a package. So you're not going to beat that. That's an awesome price. The actual window decor came from Hobby Lobby. It was $39.99 last year. The wreath was $18. It's from Amazon. You can find similar things easily online. I think that if you start now and you have a lot of things to do for Thanksgiving or Christmas, whatever it is that you're doing, it just, for me, gives me a sense of satisfaction and like relief knowing that I'm kind of crossing off tasks that have to be done. And it gives me a lot of leeway to do much more with other things that I like to do for holidays. And that's quite a bit. So any questions? Need any links that I can help with? I mean, I will post a link. If you ask me, why is she attacking him? Calico cats just like to randomly attack other other cats in the house. Like Tiggy, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, Tiggy. Tiggy, I'm sorry. What happened? I know this room is torn apart. And the energy in here is all tore up, isn't it? Because Mom's been tearing up everything, taking things off walls and moving things around. Oh my God, it's terrible. Yeah, it's horrible. Oh my gosh. Poor thing. I mean, I literally heard her claws hook him in the head. Tiggs, do you need medical attention, buddy? Oh, goodness. Well, guys, take care. Stay positive. I'll show you guys this room when it's all done. This is one of the bigger transformations. There'll be a fireplace installed in here. I can't even go over it all. There's just a ton of things. We're working on getting manpower over here this week to help with transitioning some of these pieces. I cannot pick up at all. So, all right, guys, take care.